Hey there, my name is João Neto, and today I'm here to present a new feature that was released in the version 9.4 recently, I think a couple of days ago. And this new feature, for me, it's an amazing thing that you now can create dashboards quickly. So you can create dashboards using natural language. So let's stop to talking and I will show to you the code and how this feature works. So here you can see my Kibana DevTools. So I have this index here, bank transactions, and I have some records of transactions for some users. And I also have this index here, user information, where I have more details about the users. So you can create some correlations here, for example, use join, and you can get informations based on user information and enrich the data of bank transactions. Here I also have a workflow where I can search more details or more data with informations about the users. So, okay, so I have my DevTools here, my dataset here, I have my workflows too, and now I will present the Agent Builder. Now, with Agent Builder, you also have skills. And for example, here for this agent, name it as Financial Data Agent, I have this skill here, Dashboard Management. So I also have some tools to create, to search, to check workflows, but today I want to show the feature about dashboard as a natural language. So here I will create a new chat here with this agent, and I will paste a simple uh, demand, for this agent. So create a new dashboard with informations about user transactions. Remember, if you can do some joins, it will be desired. So I will send this request for the agent. I will wait some minutes here because they will check their tools. They will check his skills, and then they will create for me a dashboard with this information. So for me, this is a not a next step, but this next jump about how can you work with your data. So now people without a deep knowledge about Kibana and about how to create dashboards, to create visualization, they can literally ask some things and demand some things for the agent, because the agent will understand what the people wants, and then the agent will do it. So here I can click here to understand what things the agent are doing. For example, create the lookup join. For me, this is amazing feature because as a demand for this agent, if he can, he will create a join. So he will execute other SQL queries, and in the end, it's supposed to finish and create my dashboard. Only use this instruction here. So yeah, now create a comprehensive dashboard so they understand the data, and now the agent will create my dashboard for me. So for this scenario, you can send this demand here, and then you can just wait or grab a couple of coffee when the agent is working for you. So yeah, the user transactions intelligence dashboard has been successfully created. So here I have the sections, and in the end I have the user transactions intelligence dashboard preview. If I click here in preview, I can see my new dashboard. I will extend the data here, for example, last 2 years, because this data set it's a little bit old because I have been using this data set for a while. Uh, but here I can see some informations like total of transactions, amount of transactions. So the agent create all this dashboard for me. This is very helpful dashboard because I can see, for example, here a table with correlated informations like username, city, address, transactions count. For example, Carlos and Camila, I don't have information about city and address. I can check here in my user information. I only have data for Bruno Alves and João Neto. As you can see here, Bruno Alves and João Neto. So this is the new thing that I would like to share with you all, because for me now you can create complex dashboards just using natural language. So that's it. I'm super excited with this new feature, and share with me your use case. Bye bye.